All right, so my Tabor City home here. Today we were working on the 2008 Ford F-250, and over the weekend here, Friday, noticed that we were having a problem. Brakes just didn't feel like they were up to snuff. So this morning went through and changed the front brake pads. This afternoon working on the back brake pads, and happened to come up to find this. Now, this was sitting in place, and it was sitting on the pads, and you can see that would be the inner pad, outer pad. They don't look too absolutely terrible, but if you can see, that brake caliper is obviously just come apart. Now, I don't know if this is OEM. I don't know if this is original to the truck or not. I have no idea, but yeah. So what we were getting was, as we were hitting the brake, if we had to hit our brake, pretty aggressively real quick, we were getting some wheel hop. And so my estimation was we were transferring all that weight to the front wheels. We weren't really getting anything out of the back brakes, so that's why we decided to do front and rear. And actually the front brakes really weren't all that bad, but since we were going ahead and do them all, we just decided to go ahead and swap everything out. And I think we probably found the culprit here. So unknown as to what the deal is with this little piece missing out of here. Now, on these brake pads, they do have these little rivets here, and I imagine at some point somebody tried to wrench on this thing and tore this thing up. This is the first time that I've done the rear brakes on this truck myself. I've had this truck coming up on about 50,000 miles now. So yeah, I mean, when you start having a brake issue, it's not something you want to sit on and wait on for a while, and definitely time to go get a new caliper for this. So anyways, my Tabor City home, yeah, check your brakes.